Look at that, man. Oh, fucking understeer. Oh, yeah, just hit a big curb. I think I might have a front line puncture. Oh, I've lost boost. Oh, I'm coming in pits.
Just a big gouge.
Steve Musty's jet truck. Don't look like a jet truck to me, that.
As well as building jet vehicles from scratch, some jet lovers choose to customize existing vehicles. This Ford truck was modified by a team of mechanics at a York raceway. The project was led by racetrack owner Steve Murty. He's managed to get good sponsorship, so he's not doing it for love alone.
Here he goes, 100%, no, 95%, whoa, gee! Whoa, oh, this is outrageous! Oh, yes! Ye gods! Ho, ho, ho.
Good morning, ladies and gents. We have a beautiful day of racing here on Sunday at Silverstone for Roadsports. And yeah, we're on the international side this time. So we have all the cars in all the garages, all the space in the world. And yeah, hopefully it goes well. Qualifying should happen fairly soon. And yeah. If all goes planned, we should be pretty high up, but yeah, we'll see. Car's looking good, car's ready. Testing up lights and it's A-OK. There we go. We'll see how it goes.
Car just was not wanting to. I'm just coming in.
Copy. Get ready, coming in. Pressure.
Just like you, as soon as you turn it, just understeers immediately. Yeah, it's in the faster corners. When you go for a change of direction, it just understeers as soon as you turn.
Go.
Right. How long we got?
They were a tiny bit high, but not much. 3 minutes 22 seconds. So if you get out and round, you'll get one more go. But I don't know how I'm going to do traffic for you because I can't tell.
Don't worry. I'll sort it. Right, I found some space. I've got some space.
Behind you, there's a good
I've got
behind
space
you
behind me. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, you've got 2 minutes 40, so if you let them catch right up to you, you should get a good go.
Yeah. understeer is disgusting.
Mate, I just watched it then, that was horrible.
Just cannot turn. Just does not want to turn.
No.
Have I got time for another lap?
57 seconds.
Right.
You were close to it last time there, but that as soon as you hit that understeer off the back straight, it was done.
Yeah. Look at that, man. Oh, fucking understeer. Me.
Mr. Scott, how
Yeah.
are we?
All good? Yeah.
Car feeling alright?
No.
Good? No.
Understeery mess. So,
Did see a lot of that.
yeah, quite a few, like, there's a change of direction when you're coming out of the loop onto the hanger straight,
Yep.
where you're turning left, and you're turning right, then you want to turn left, then you want to turn right.
There's a lot of weight transfer going on.
Yeah, and it's just understeering immediately as soon as I want to load it up the other way. And then into stow, it's long right-hander, just understeering, so I just can't get on the power early enough.
Yeah.
So I'm like 6 tenths behind the fastest time I've ever been around here.
Yeah.
Which still would have been nowhere near pole. It's the pole
I was
time.
going to say, because still third place is a good result.
Yeah, 0.017 from second. So I think I could have got second, but first impossible.
Yeah,
So,
first not a chance.
yeah, we'll see how the race goes.
Yep. Now re-prepping the car now and get it sorted for the race.
Yeah, the guys are going to tweak the setup a little bit, and fingers crossed we can find a bit of time.
Yep. All
Thank
good.
you. Cheers. Tom.
Alright, it's now time for the rest of quali. Ours is going to be a lot later. What time is it supposed to be? Based on this, we have a better one here. Based on this time, our race is at 2:45, so we got a bit of time to set everything up. It is currently 10 o'clock in the morning, so plenty of time to sort everything out. Had an alignment done to it, so hopefully that should cure the understeer that we've had. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh, I see double yellows over there. That's always fun.
Oh, nice. Somebody left a right fucking pile of oil on. Braking zone. Ugh. Oh, mate, it's going to be carnage at start, that.
How does the car feel? I know you're not going to get a good feel for it on warm laps. How does it feel?
It definitely don't feel like as soon as I turn it's understeering, so that's good. Coffee, perfect. This start's going to get aborted. Oh, I'm shocked. Oh.
All good, mate?
Yeah, just hit a big curve. Oh, I think I might have punctured tyre. I think I might have a front leg puncture. Oh, I've definitely egged it. It's going to need changing regardless.
Copy. Front. How's it feeling now?
It's like vibrating like.
Do you reckon we can keep going for a bit to get the pit window, or do you want to come in down?
Yeah, pit window.
If we can just keep doing what we're doing, we'll be alright. You can do to lose about 8 tenths a lap off your press you've done, and the others won't be pressing you.
Yeah, copy. It's going to be worth checking suspension and everything on that side.
Yeah, copy. We've got a minute in the pit stop, so we can get it changed anyway. No problem.
Copy.
Don't worry about if they could crash. We're going to be fast later in the race anyway, so just get to the window.
Copy.
How's it feeling now, mate?
Just vibrating like.
Copy.
Oh, I've lost boost. Oh, I'm coming in pits.
Okay,
Someone's come off.
Someone's come off. No worries. Get the stand ready. Yeah, we're ready for you, mate.
Just get me back out no matter what.
Yeah, that's straight. That's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, there, look.
It's this big gouge.
Wow. So with these TCRs,
That's insane.
nobody could do this switch on the maps.
Big gouge there. That's completely flat. There's a big gouge in there. And from the vibrations of that, it caused the turbo to manifold gasket to blow out too much vibrations in the engine, which cost us a DNF, unfortunately. But yeah, as soon as we tried tightening it, it didn't do much, and it was just blowing all the exhaust fumes around the turbo. But yeah, very unfortunate, very unfortunate. Those curbs are very, very, very savage out there. Have to be careful for sure.